Welcome. Today we're exploring the wild beauty of Haida Gwaii, Canada, a remote archipelago off British Columbia's coast. Known as the Galápagos of the North, these islands are home to ancient rainforests, dramatic coastlines, and a vibrant Haida culture. In this video, you'll join me on a visual tour of 7 breathtaking spots that define Haida Gwaii's magic. From towering totem poles to misty meadows, each place tells a unique story. Let's begin our journey. Our first stop is Gwaii National Park Reserve, a breathtaking sanctuary that stretches across the southern third of the Haida Gwaii archipelago. This is a place where the wild, untamed spirit of nature is preserved in its purest form, far from the bustle of the modern world. Getting here is an adventure in itself, whether you arrive by boat, gliding over the rolling waves, or by seaplane, soaring above the endless blue. Each journey sets the stage for entering a world apart, where the ordinary rules of time and space seem to fade away, replaced by the rhythms of the ocean and forest. The forests here are ancient, almost primeval, with moss-draped Sitka spruce and red cedar trees that have stood for centuries. Their trunks are thick and gnarled, their branches heavy with lichen, creating a living cathedral that towers overhead and muffles the sounds of the outside world. Walking among these giants, you can't help but feel humbled by their immense age and scale. Every step on the spongy forest floor is a step back in time, a reminder of how small we are in the face of such enduring life. The air is thick with the scent of earth and rain, and shafts of sunlight filter through the dense canopy, illuminating the emerald world below. The coastline is equally dramatic, shaped by the relentless power of the Pacific Ocean into rugged cliffs, secluded coves, and deep fjords. Here, the land meets the sea in a constant dance, with waves crashing against ancient rocks and tide pools teeming with life. Wildlife thrives in this remote paradise. Along the shore, the unique Haida Gwaii black bears forage for food, their dark shapes moving silently among the driftwood. Overhead, bald eagles soar with outstretched wings, scanning the land and sea for their next meal, embodying the wild freedom of this place. Offshore, the ocean comes alive with the movement of whales. Majestic humpbacks breach the surface in a spray of water, while orcas glide powerfully through the turquoise waves. Their presence is a reminder of the deep connections between land and sea that define Gwaii. Sea lions lounge on sun-warmed rocks, barking and jostling for space, while playful otters float on their backs, cracking open shellfish. Every moment here is animated by the vibrant pulse of nature, making it impossible not to feel a sense of wonder. But Gwaii is more than just a natural wonder. It is also a place of deep cultural significance. Scattered throughout the park are ancient Haida village sites, like Skang Gwaii, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that stands as a testament to the enduring legacy of the Haida people. Here, weathered totem poles and the remains of longhouses rise from the mossy ground, their carved faces and figures telling stories of ancestors, spirits, and the land itself. These silent sentinels have watched over the islands for generations, bearing witness to both triumph and tragedy. Standing before them, you can almost feel the presence of those who came before, generations of Haida who lived in harmony with the land and sea, whose traditions and stories are woven into every tree and stone. This place is a powerful reminder of the beauty and resilience of the natural world, and of the importance of preserving it for future generations. The landscapes here are not just beautiful, they are sacred, alive with meaning and memory. Gwaii is not just a collection of stunning scenery, it is a living connection to land, wildlife, and culture. Every view, every sound, every scent is a thread in the tapestry of this remarkable place. To visit Gwaii is to embark on a journey for the soul, a journey that awakens a sense of awe, respect, and gratitude. It is the perfect beginning to our adventure, inviting us to slow down, look closer, and truly appreciate where giants sleep. Our journey now takes us north, to one of Graham Island's most iconic landmarks, Toe Hill. This ancient volcanic giant rises dramatically above the rugged coastline, its dark silhouette a striking contrast against the endless blue of the Pacific. Toe Hill is more than just a geological wonder. It's a place steeped in history and legend, a sentinel that has watched over Haida Gwaii for thousands of years. Legends and stories swirl around this place, passed down through generations of the Haida people. Its presence is unmistakable, commanding respect and curiosity from all who visit. The hill's rugged face, often shrouded in mist, seems to hold secrets of the past, inviting you to imagine the stories it could tell. To reach the summit, a wooden boardwalk trail winds its way through a lush, temperate rainforest. Towering spruce and cedar trees line the path, their branches dripping with moss and lichen. The air is thick with the scent of earth and greenery, and every step builds anticipation as the sounds of the forest, birdsong, rustling leaves, distant waves, accompany your ascent. It's a walk that feels almost magical, as if you're moving through a living, breathing storybook. At the summit, the reward is breathtaking. A sweeping panoramic view unfolds before you. North Beach stretches out in a seemingly endless ribbon of sand, the Pacific waves rolling in with a steady, hypnotic rhythm. On clear days, you can even catch a glimpse of Alaska's distant mountains on the horizon, a reminder of just how far this wild landscape reaches. Below, North Beach beckons with its vast expanse of hard-packed sand. Here you can drive for miles along the shoreline, or simply walk for hours, letting the roar of the ocean fill your senses. The beach feels endless, a place where you can lose track of time and space, surrounded by the raw power of nature. For those with a keen eye, North Beach is a treasure hunter's paradise. Driftwood, sculpted by wind and waves, is scattered along the shore. Shells of every shape and color glint in the sand, and if you're lucky, you might even find a rare Japanese glass float, evidence of the ocean's far-reaching currents and the mysteries they carry. Every step along the beach reveals something new, a perfectly smooth stone, a feather, a tiny crab scuttling by. It's a place that encourages you to slow down, to notice the small wonders that are so easily overlooked in the rush of daily life. Here, the details matter, and each discovery feels like a small gift from the sea. As evening falls, the sky transforms into a canvas of vibrant color. The setting sun paints the clouds in shades of orange, pink, and gold, reflecting off the wet sand and turning the entire beach into a shimmering mirror. It's a simple, profound pleasure, one that reminds you of the beauty in slowing down and just being present. Together, Toe Hill and North Beach capture the wild, untamed spirit of Haida Gwaii. Here you feel a sense of infinite space and freedom, a connection to the land and sea that is both humbling and exhilarating. Whether you're standing atop the hill, gazing out over the endless horizon, or wandering the shoreline with sand between your toes, awe and wonder are guaranteed. This is a place that stays with you, long after you've left its wild embrace. Our next stop is Balance Rock, a natural wonder near Skidgate. This massive boulder left by a glacier perches impossibly on a small point, defying gravity for centuries. At high tide, it appears to float. At low tide, you can touch its weathered surface. Balance Rock is more than geology. It's a sacred Haida site, symbolizing harmony and resilience. The setting is serene, calm inlet waters on one side, dense rainforest on the other. Light and weather transform its mood from gentle to defiant. It's a powerful metaphor for nature's balance and endurance. Easily accessible, Balance Rock is a quick but memorable encounter with Haida Gwaii's spirit. Sometimes the most profound wonders are the quietest ones. Now, let's explore Skidgate Inlet, a tranquil waterway separating Graham and Moresby Islands. The inlet's calm, reflective waters create a sense of peace, framed by rolling, forested hills. It's a haven for marine life. Harbor seals, playful porpoises, and even whales frequent these waters. Kayaking here is magical, gliding silently, immersed in nature. The shoreline offers stunning vistas, with pullouts perfect for soaking in the scenery. The Haida Heritage Center stands proudly on the inlet's edge, connecting landscape to culture. Totem poles rise against the water, telling stories of the Haida Nation. Skidgate Inlet is the gentle heart of Haida Gwaii, a place of calm, abundant life, and deep roots. Next, we visit the Tlell River and misty meadows on Graham Island's east coast. The Tlell River meanders gently through forests and fields, offering peaceful fishing and tranquil walks. Misty meadows, bordering the river, are often shrouded in low mist, especially at dawn and dusk. Sunrises and sunsets here are magical, with soft light and colors painting the landscape. Horses graze in the fields, silhouetted against the sky, a scene straight from a painting. Trails like the Pasuta Shipwreck Trail lead from river to coast, showcasing Haida Gwaii's diversity. The area is a reminder that beauty isn't just in dramatic coastlines, but also in quiet, gentle moments. Tlel River and misty meadows offer a peaceful pause on our journey. Back to the coast, this time Agate Beach, famed for its colorful agates. Every walk here is a treasure hunt, searching for waxy, translucent stones in the sand. The beach is wild and windswept, with Tow Hill looming in the distance and waves crashing ashore. After storms or at low tide, new agates and polished stones emerge, each a unique find. The hunt is meditative, focusing your attention on the small beauties at your feet. Even without a perfect agate, the beach offers jasper, carnelian, and other gems. Agate Beach is a place for discovery, both of nature's treasures and the joy of the search. Sometimes, the greatest beauties are the ones you can hold in your hand. Our final destination is Yaqoon Lake, the largest freshwater lake on Haida Gwaii, a place where nature's grandeur is on full display. This expansive body of water is nestled within a lush, ancient forest, creating a breathtaking panorama that captivates the soul. Surrounded by ancient forest, the lake is a sanctuary of calm, its glassy surface reflecting sky and trees. The tranquility here is almost tangible, offering a mirror to the heavens above and the towering trees that stand as silent sentinels. The silence is profound, broken only by the call of a loon or the wind in the branches. These sounds are nature's own symphony, a gentle reminder of the life that thrives in this serene environment. Trails wind along the shore, inviting quiet exploration among towering spruce and cedar. Each step on these paths is a journey through time, as these ancient trees have stood for centuries, witnessing the passage of countless seasons. Kayaking or canoeing here is meditative, with clear water and hidden coves to discover. As you paddle, the gentle lapping of water against your vessel creates a rhythm that soothes the mind and spirit. A rustic campsite offers the chance to wake to mist rising off the lake at sunrise. The morning light dances on the water, creating a magical scene that feels like a dream come to life. Yaqoon Lake is also the source of the Yaqoon River, vital to the island's ecosystem. This river carries the lifeblood of the forest, nurturing the flora and fauna that depend on its waters. This is a place to recharge, connect with nature, and experience Haida Gwaii's quiet soul. Here, amidst the untouched beauty, one can find solace and a deeper connection to the natural world, leaving behind the chaos of modern life. Our journey through Haida Gwaii's breathtaking scenery comes to an end. From ancient forests to tranquil lakes, I hope you felt the island's magic. These wild places remind us of the beauty worth protecting and the deep connection of the Haida people to their home. Thank you for joining me. If you enjoyed this tour, please like, subscribe, and share your next dream destination in the comments. Until next time, keep exploring.